Hey guys, this is Darren with EastSideSportsCards.com. Tonight we're going to be breaking a box 2014 Panini Crown Royal box break number 2. This is a team break. All 32 teams did sell out. We've got 4 packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's go ahead and go through the list real quick. We've got Mike B. has the Giants. Perry S. has 49ers, Vikings, Raiders, Jags, Bears, Colts, Cards, and Broncos. Jimmy E. has Browns. Fred B. has Packers. Jason H. has Lions. Sam Childress has Bills. Chris E. Bucks, Seahawks, Titans, Texans, Panthers. Waylon M. has Steelers. Colin F. has Saints. Nathan T. has Pats. Mark L. Dolphins, Chiefs, Rams, Bengals. Ronald B. has Falcons and Redskins. Jessica Z. Eagles and Chargers. Robert P. Cowboys and Jets. And Philip has Ravens. See that, guys? All right, guys, I need to have everybody put Y in the box to let me know everybody's good to go before we go ahead and crack down this box. Kai's got Y. Y, everybody. Waylon. Perry. Philip, you in there? Y, Philip. Let's do this. Let's do it. All right, Oath Keeper. I haven't seen you in there. Y. Come on, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's go ahead and crack this box down of Crown Royal. Great product. We're going to have this product in on a 3-box mixer here in the next couple days here. As you can tell, it is a sealed box. There's the empty box. There's your packs that you have right here. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone. Good stuff. Good stuff. Stoked to see this stuff cracked. All right, let's move this down. Put it up there. All right, DeMarco Murray. Oh, boy. Jimmy, you're the man, Big Daddy. Whoa, there's a jersey for you. That's what I'm talking about here. That's what I'm talking about. You're the man. I told you I'd hit you one. I told you. You just had to be patient, sir. You just had to be patient. There you go, man. And $398 of $499 right there. $398 of $499. Bang. Era to the throne. We've got Jarvis Landry. And we got Washington and McFadden there to finish that off. Let me go ahead and put these in soft covers. That way we know that they're clean. And we're good to go on that. There's that one. There's Murray. That's a rookie. Then this is Commons. All right, guys. For the second pack of the box here. 2 hits in here. We got Ruben Randall. Numbered 16 of 25. 16 of 25. Going to go ahead and put that one for the Giants right in a top loader for you guys. There you are for that. Beautiful card. And we've got LaShawn McCoy. It's numbered also 207 of 499. It's a really nice piece. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. And then we've got Alex Smith for the Chiefs. Gonna get that in a top loader for you. There's that. And the number on that is 188 of 499. There we go. Focus for you. We have King's Court, non-numbered, but we'll sleeve it anyway. Of Andy Dalton, AJ Green, and Gio Bernard. HaHa Clinton Dix, rookie for the Green Bay Packers. And we have Adrian Foster for the common. All right, man, let's see what we pack. Number 3 leads here. Looks like we got a redemption. Des Bryant. We've got DeMarcus Lawrence. This is also numbered to 99. Go ahead and get your 08 of 99 on that. Let's go ahead and get it in a top loader for you. There you go. We have Carson Palmer, common. All you Seahawk fans, Marshawn Lynch, Master Craftsman. So your Seahawk, that's good. Beautiful card right there. Looks like your redemption's going to be... Oh! Oh, God! Oh! We hit it big, boys. We hit it big. Odell Beckham Jr., rookie, shoots RPS auto redemption. Oh, that's good. Sickening. Woo, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we do here at the Box Breaking Madness, man. We pull Odell Beckham Jr.'s. We pull Manziel's. We pull all the good high-end stuff. That's what we do. That's good. All right, here we go. Bang. In the Dallas Cowboy uniform, Michael Sam auto. This autograph's numbered to 35. 11 of 35. Bang. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, that's good. Oh, man. There you are, right there. That's some sick stuff right there. Oh, man, that's good. We got a spacer. We got Cooks. It's nice right there. We have Eddie Lacy, common. And we have a Colin Kaepernick, common. All right, guys, let's do a break hit recap here. Smoking box this evening. Smoking box. For the New York Giant fan, we hit the RPS auto for Odell Beckham Jr. As you can tell, unscratched or good to go. We've got Michael Sam, 11 of 35 auto. We have DeMarcus Lawrence. This is also numbered 08 of 99 right there. We have Alex Smith for the Chiefs. 188 of 499. We have the LaShawn McCoy. There we go, if I can ever pronounce it. Jersey. Number 207 of 499. We have Ruben Randall Gold, number to 25, 16 of 25. And for you, Jimmy boy, we do have a Johnny Manziel jersey for you. Heirs to the throne. There we go. I'll be going out to you tomorrow. This is also numbered 398 of 499. All right, guys, that wraps up box break number 2 in the Crown Royal break. Thank you for participating. Please stop by shop.eastsidesportscards.com. Thanks.